You know.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then welcome to my channel. I hope you stay for this video. So today I am doing, or I did this braid and curl tutorial. It was my first braid and curl, you know what I'm saying? Trial and error. You know, I'm feeling it, you know. Real kid, I'm feeling it. But, well, first of all, I had a few braids to get wet. I like my hair to be voluminous, so that's kind of why I did bigger braids. But for this particular style, I think I would do smaller braids just for the curl at the bottom. Or maybe next time I'll like braid further down and curl less. You'll see what I'm talking about in the video. I actually really like it. I think it's super cute. It's like curly. I never really wear my hair curly. I don't know what I'm trying to say, but yeah, I'm feeling it, you know what I'm saying? Something different, something light, you know. I still got my volume, I still got my thickness, I'm still on fleek. Okay, you have to learn to love the hand you was dealt with, you know. If your hair a little nappy, your hair a little nappy. Be nappy and be happy, okay? You know, even when your little braid and curl don't turn out like these other little braid and curls, they be looking so defined. The braid pattern be so neat and clean. The curl be so curly, you know, don't be all this frizziness that's going on down here. But you gonna love it regardless. You know what I'm saying? You gotta love what you got. And if you don't, you gotta learn to make it work, okay? Make it work. You feel me? Stay tuned if you want to watch this video. If you like it, then please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, then go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. If you have any questions, let me know. If you have any hairstyles you want me to do, let me know, because I need hairstyles that I need to do. I need to do my hair a little bit more than what I've been doing. So yeah, I'm gonna get into the video. So I'm starting off with my hair freshly washed, and I'm gonna take a section that I want to work with, and I'm going to detangle it first. I'm gonna apply this Buttercream Daily Moisturizer by TGIN. This is what I actually used for my like curling cream, which was a mistake. I don't know why I did that, but whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and just start braiding the section down. I'm actually gonna do a different section because I turned up too much. So we're gonna start over again with applying the moisturizer, and then I'm going to braid. It's really hard trying to explain how to braid. Like, you take the middle piece or the outer piece, put it in the middle, left piece to the middle, right piece to the middle, I guess. I don't know. But you're gonna braid down until you get to a good section that you want to start to curl. Put your perm rod in. And you're just going to twist the part that you did not braid around the perm rod and then twist it up. I'm not going to do my whole head because, I mean, it takes forever. But this is what it looks like. I had about maybe like 12 braids. And now I'm just taking the perm rods out of my hair. Some of my braids weren't dried all the way, or for whatever reason, they were kind of frizzy at the bottom. So now I'm applying my oil of choice. I do believe I use coconut oil, and I'm just going to start separating the braids until I get them to how I want it to be. Me, I like for my hair to be big. As I said, I don't mind frizziness. It's just kind of how I like my hair to be. So I do separate a little bit more than needed, but that's how I get my hair to be more full and big. Now I'm going to take this wide tooth comb and I'm just going to start picking at the roots to kind of lift it a little bit more. And I was going to pin that to the side, but I changed my mind. And this is pretty much the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it wasn't like rushed through. I hope I got the point across. If so, then give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave me some love down below and make sure you subscribe.